Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. I'm hard on myself. Who's hard on their self like that? Okay, well, a lot of you guys. Okay, that you're probably more thinker brains, and oh, you made her hold up her hand. Get your hand up. So yeah, and you know what? Sometimes other people are a lot easier on you than you are on yourself. So I want you to, number 10, everybody say this out loud. What are you going to do? Forgive yourself in advance. Yes. You're going to say, guess what? I'm a human being. I'm not a perfect robot that's going to never make a mistake. I'm going to make a mistake. I'm going to make a mistake at real estate investing and blow a deal. That was so hard for me to say, but I did. I blew deals. And that was so scary. It was scary for me to say it. Okay? So guys, let's all say it. Say, I'm going to make a mistake and blow a deal. Ready? I'm going to make a mistake and blow a deal.
Maybe two.
Maybe. Maybe 2 or 3. That's the scary thing. You just said the scary thing. You just said what most people are scared of. They're going to make a mistake and blow a good deal. Okay, and you will. And so what? You know, get over it. Move on to the next one.
Get the next one. Yeah.
There's going to be other ones. There's going to be plenty of other ones as long as you don't quit. Okay, so just stick with it, keep your head in the game, and keep going. So what do you got to do now? Now that you admitted you're going to blow a deal, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Forgive yourself in advance. In advance. That's right. You know you're going to blow it. Guys, I blew deals and I'm smarter than you. So, no, I'm not smarter than you. But you know what? I've spent a lot of my time focused on this. See, that's the thing. You're way smarter than me at some things. Whatever you're smart at, you're smarter than me at that. But I'm smarter than you at real estate because why? Because I started off as a kind of a smart guy, and then I've been studying it for 20 years. You know, and studying under Ron. That's another thing.
Studying because of your wife.
Oh, that's right. All right, I'll admit that I'm smart because of Lynette. You're not as smart as me at this, and I make mistakes and I blow stuff, so you're going to blow stuff. I want you to say, I forgive myself in advance. I forgive myself in advance. That's right, and that kind of takes a little pressure off. Do you feel a little lighter? Let's say that again. I forgive myself in advance. That's right. Now let's say it together. I'm going to make a mistake and blow a deal. I'm going to make a mistake and blow a deal. I forgive myself in advance. Okay? So let's say it one more time together. I'm going to make a mistake and blow a deal. I forgive myself in advance. You're just admitting that you're human, and that's okay. And I don't want you guys beating yourself up now, because what did you already do? You forgave yourself. So now don't unforgive yourself. Okay, when you blow that deal, don't start beating yourself up. Remember, you already forgave yourself, so don't forget that. And that really does take a lot of the pressure off, and hopefully it relieves you of being so stressed and afraid going into the call. And if you have to say that right before you make the call, if you say, this is kind of a complicated deal and I might blow this, I'm going to forgive myself in advance, because in about 15 minutes I might need to have some self-forgiveness. Okay, now I want you to write something at the top here. Just say, my success in this business is partly dependent on my capacity for self-forgiveness. My success in this business is partly dependent on my capacity for self-forgiveness. So some of us are actually pretty good at that. Some of us are not. And so the quicker you can get good at that, and practice it. Next time you find yourself beating yourself up about anything, just say, hey, I'm going to let myself off the hook. I'm not that bad of a person. You know, I need to take it easy on myself and be nice to myself. Okay? I'm going to be nice to myself. Let's all say it. I'm going to be nice to myself. Yes, you deserve to be nice to yourself. So even if when you make a mistake, guys, you still deserve to be nice to yourself.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.